Welcome to the ONPAR Portal. Here, you'll find everything you need to use the ONPAR assessments in your classroom. In this video, we provide an overview of the three main pages of the portal: Classrooms, Units and Tasks, and Guide. These pages have all the tools you need to help you successfully integrate ONPAR into your classroom. After logging in, you land on the Classroom page of the portal, where you'll see a list of your classes. Click on a class name to see each of your rosters, as well as the assessments that you can make available to your students. In order for students to see any task, you need to select the date range for the assessment and activate the task by clicking the green Activate button. Once your students take a task, you can also see the classroom reports and individual student reports on this page. Classroom reports appear on the right side of the screen next to the name of the task. Click a report icon and the report will open and show you how your class performed. Individual reports are available on the left side of the page. Click on a report next to an individual name and you can see how a student performed. To see individual reports by unit, you must click the appropriate unit name. Open the unit box and scroll to the name of the unit. The next page of the portal contains the units and tasks. All of the assessment tasks, grouped by focal content, appear on this page of the portal. Expand your view of the units by clicking on the caret. Reduce your view by clicking again. Each unit contains 2 technology-enhanced tasks, 1 to 2 mini-tasks, a paper-based task, and a technology-enhanced unit test. Each task also has a brief training video and a teacher guide to support implementation in the classroom. To prepare for using assessments in the classroom, it's recommended that you watch the training videos first. Each video is approximately 2 to 3 minutes and provides an overview of the standards covered and how to interact with different item types. After watching the videos, try interacting with the task yourself using the preview feature. This will help familiarize you with the questions and how to interact with the different item types. Also available by task is a teacher's guide. This resource provides a wide variety of useful information on each task. Each guide provides the standards that are covered, directions on how to interact with each screen, questions for classroom discussion, as well as scoring information, including answer keys. The final section of the Teacher's Guide provides resources tailored to specific ideas and skills in each task. Each section of the Teacher's Guide has a different tab at the top of the page. Answer keys and scoring information are available as a PDF document. Also, at the top of the Units and Tasks page, there's a Student Directions video. It's recommended that students watch the video prior to using ONPAR at least their first time. The final page of the portal provides the ONPAR User Guide. Information on this page includes background on ONPAR assessments, technical requirements, and basic information on how to use ONPAR assessments in your classroom. Using ONPAR in your classroom is easy once you familiarize yourself with the materials available in the portal. Be sure to review the materials during your planning time and utilize the many resources to ensure a successful experience for you and your students.